How to automatically stop seeding after downloading on uTorrent. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In this video I will show you how you can automatically stop seeding after downloading on uTorrent, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to automatically stop seeding after downloading on uTorrent, what you need to do is first of all launch the uTorrent application. Once you launch the uTorrent app, on the top left, you'll be able to see the options menu. Just go to options here and you want to go to the tab that says preferences. Once you come to preferences over here, you will see all these sorts of options. So let me just go ahead and show you. And as you are on the preferences tab, make sure that you are under the queuing section. Once you're under queuing, you can see maximum number of active torrents. You just want to set it to 1. Whether it is upload or download, uTorrent will only download or upload 1 file at a time. After that, set the minimum seeding time to 0 and also minimum number of available seeds to 0. Once you've done this, you might also want to just limit the upload rate. Just check it, enable it, and you might want to set this to 1. And once you set this to 1, when you click on the apply button over here, uTorrent will automatically stop seeding after the download has been completed. And that's all it takes to go ahead and automatically stop seeding after download has completed on uTorrent. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.